The CITWC Nature Park is located on the campus of the church in Toledo, Westside Community Church, located at 6109 West Bancroft Street in Toledo, Ohio. To enter the nature park, take the driveway to the parking lot behind the church. These like grasses.
Come on, babies. Come on.
He's coming to visit here.
You notice how she got her wings there to pull them in? Especially with us here.
Because all the other eggs are gone, but that one, that's why I asked if they eat them.
She's not hissing at
Yeah,
me.
I was noticing that too. I don't see any eggshells around. And now we can't even watch the one hatch.
Do you see the egg?
Yeah,
I see it.
it's moving.
I'm telling her.
It's coming out.
Where? Right there.
This first one over on that
It is,
side.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Boy, she's nervous.
I want to watch it hatch.
Well, you have to be quiet.
You better be careful. I'm surprised the daddy's not over here.
I don't know where it is. Maybe taking a
We was chasing baby,
Yeah,
the
because
mom.
that's because you're stupid.
No, we was chasing the mom, and then all the babies, and there was one who kept running. All of them jumped in the water, the mom and the dad and all the babies.
Oh, you see what happened?
And I almost grabbed it, and then it jumped in the water before I grabbed it.
I'm glad it didn't grab my finger, because that one would have hurt. Now, if it just got the flat of my arm, it isn't too bad.
Now let's sit down and watch the egg.
It's moving more.
Mm-hmm.
She just pushed it.
It's trying to come out. Do you see it, Mason? They're not moving it. The one inside's coming out.
No, don't touch. Don't
Leave
touch
the
it. If
hands
it,
alone.
even if it comes over, don't touch it.
You're going to go inside. You're not going to watch nothing.
And we may not be able to have time to watch it because church is going to start soon. I don't know what time it is right now.
11
Oh gosh, she's hissing.
Okay. I'm going to get a sunburn.
I got ones on my legs.
Oh, now she's stuck down the egg. That'll help if I have it come out.
Don't. There's one in here.
Stay back, both of you. And don't be reaching the point. Put those down. She's watching you. Put them down.
She's gonna think
You're gonna put her in attack mode.
she drives. No, it's. I don't know if she drives.
Oh, the little cutie.
They wandered off. They're here in the bush.
They're hiding in the bush right
Oh,
now.
yeah.
And that's why they're the yellow green. You can't see them. You have to walk around.
You'd have to walk over here by me,
You
slowly,
find them
slowly.
and be quiet. No loud noises.
Now can you see them in there? See how they blend
She
in?
knows where they are.
Because it's for the high end from us.
Mason, can you get off me? It's not moving anymore, you know?
It just takes
will.
time. See, it's like,
It's a tiring
you know,
process.
if you were trying to get out of something every once in a while, you'd have to rest.
Think about if somebody was holding you underwater. How
Or
hard you have to
or
fight
even-
to come back up.
Or under a blanket. You know, rolled up in a blanket and you're trying to get out, you'd be resting a little bit if it's in a real tight. Come over this side, Betty.
There's one hatching already.
Now, 4 of them are under this,
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
other than the butterfly milkweed there. One of them is in the process of hatching,
Oh my gosh.
and we've been here, what, 10 to 15 minutes.
You did a good job, Mama.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's moving over there.
She's moving away. You can see its head right there. It comes out.
There it's
right
coming.
One coming out, right?
There. See it? There's its head. See its eyeball?
See it?
Yep. Look how tiny it is.
Wow, and we got to watch it. Wow. See, now it's resting again. It's got to fight its way out.
That she's letting us be
Right.
here.
I think
I
she's
don't
become
like
accustomed enough to us now.
To rest.
Yeah.
But if we
We
get,
stop by here every day and talk to her, and Lil does too, you know, just, yeah.
So it's out, it's just his body.
Part of it is its eyes out and its head.
Yeah.
See its head? That's its head.
She breathing. She needs
and then the 4, you see them run underneath the butterfly? I thought that was Ron.
I see the little
Yeah, that was
eyeball.
Ron. He
Yeah.
left already. Now, even if they come to you, don't touch them.
No, because then their mommy won't take care of them.
Mom could go after you, or sometimes they don't like the human touch, and they'll just
Don't
abandon
dig in that. Stop.
that duckling or chick or
Birds
whatever
and
it
stuff
is.
don't like you touching their babies. If humans touch them and they smell it on them, they just leave them alone to die. They
Not
won't
all
take
of them,
care
but
of
some of
Is
them
that
do.
one dying?
That one
No,
in there?
it's
No,
resting. It's coming
it's
out.
resting. Come on, get off of me.
Probably started a little bit before we even got here. We just didn't know it. And maybe by the time we come back to your dance recital, we'll be out. Maybe all of them will be.
I don't know about that one.
Oh gosh. It's down.
Well, we still got one more egg to completely
Yeah,
hatch.
that one looks like
I
it's
got
not
so scared.
hatching. Maybe
It's breathing. I can see it moving. Look, see it? It's just got to rest because it exerts a lot of energy to crack that egg
Yeah, that's kind of
And it's
a
gotta
big
rest
head to come out of that
and
little
come
bitty
out
egg.
again.
What kind of flowers are these purple and yellow
These
ones?
purple ones here, these are all irises.
Okay.
This purple one here is blue flag iris. That one is for sure a native. The yellow one might be yellow flag, but yellow flag is not a native to us.
his head is so small. Dude, his head's so small.
It's not so small. Considering the size of that egg, he's got to
Well-
get the rest of himself out.
and then it'll dry. Then it'll
It just
dry
stepped
out.
on his head.
It's okay.
That's
Leah.
okay. You notice how the webbing is real flat out, so it isn't going to
It's
hurt
like a
it.
piece of plastic.
See, this is the way God designed them to be.
You see that one peeking out?
Yeah, but you're trying to make
Oh, I don't.
down.
No,
I don't think we're going to
we're
get to
not
watch it
touching them.
completely. I'm going to stop.
Mommy will clean it all up and it'll look nice and fuzzy, like that one does in a little bit.
Yeah, that's why I didn't know.
See how it's moving around more? It hasn't quite got out
I
yet.
know Chippy and Frank like
Now, I would not be surprised if Mama comes over and starts
You got it.
biting at me, because this one's just so close. But you notice I'm not moving very fast with this one right here.
And we can name her.
Ooh, she just kicked the little one.
We can name her. We can name
Did make it over earlier this week. I brought a friend over and we did a walk in the park.
her. Your name's Sister.
Mhm. Yeah, they'll be off the island
Yeah.
maybe tomorrow. Depends on how fast that last egg is hatched,
Hey, don't be picking
which could
stuff
be
up. Get over
today,
here.
tomorrow.
It was still drying off, huh?
It's not even completely out yet. See how it's fighting to get out?
It's coming out of the
No, you're not, because you already knocked it over.
Then if you come around here, I got one right here.
Stay back.
And I'm not going to move fast with it right here because Mama's going to go after me. Depends on where she goes, I'm just going to let her bite me. 'Cause it doesn't hurt too bad.
one hiding in the plants there.
There's three of them. There's three of them in the plant. We got 5 of them now out with egg number 6 still to hatch. Here it comes.
Goodness, she was
She's lucky there's only one in an egg, huh?
I'm so hot.
You'll be okay.
Yeah, it's hot
Oh,
out
there
here
it
in the
is.
sun.
There it is.
There it's coming. A little bit more.
It's like summer.
almost.
I was taking a picture and you walked right in front of me.
I know it takes a while. It takes a lot of patience to be able to watch this, but you might not see this in a long time.
It's gonna get matting.
Yeah, you get down there. And I got one right here, tucked in
Right by your leg.
right by my leg.
Fly on you. I'm afraid of first it was a kid.
Say, so you got a friend there, but you got more than one little friend.
Uh-huh.
That one just hatching?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
we've been out here since about 10 o'clock, and we saw a crack happening. Now I got 2 of them right beside me. And you notice I'm not moving fast,
You see?
Yeah.
and so I don't.
She's looking for, where did they go? Where did they go?
Yeah, these may be hopping down.
Rest for a little bit.
As much as I'd like to touch it, I'm not going to.
No.
Yeah. Now, if you don't move fast, she won't bite me. Notice how close she is? And because I'm not jumping, she does not really perceive me as a threat.
Right, she's checking it out. She goes, okay, you're
Yeah.
not doing anything. Just don't hurt my kids.
This is amazing, being able to watch this.
I just saw that
happen.
one just come crawling out of the eggshell.
Yeah, and see it rest for 2 or 3 minutes.
Hi.
How great is that?
Oh my God, I'm
No fast movements, Mason. Just reminding you.
Go sit with John.
You guys are trying to give the Goose your phones? I don't think
She tried to take my arm.
Get away from my nest.
Oh,
Get-
that's because there's babies over here today.
Yeah, they came over here. And then we have one just hatching right now in the nest there. We've been out here since about 10.
Have ya?
And then we noticed the crack just starting. Actually, I think it was her that noticed it before I did. But
Oh, you couldn't see it. It was in the bag.
then we have two more hiding in the plant.
Okay, we know why these two came to you, the shadow.
I don't know why, but I'm not reaching to touch them as much as I would like to.
Which plant are they hiding in? The one front?
The green right there. You go over here, you look in there, you can see one towards the edge. She did not like that movement.
That's why I was pointing for you. Is it that plant? That's the one right in front.
I wasn't looking. That's all.
So one's hiding in there. So there's one more egg to hatch.
One more egg to hatch, and probably by the time we get out of church, it could be hatched. And then slow down, buddy.
You need to move.
Just slow down, buddy.
She's gonna come after you.
I know
Too
it's,
close.
and it doesn't hurt much. It'd be about like, that's about what it feels like, I hope.
I think
Yeah.
I know why those babies are dragging.
Maybe not if she's mad though.
You know, if I would reach down, she would probably come towards me.
Not reaching down.
And she's already come toward me. See, I moved my arm closer. She's all ready to go after
She's ready
me.
to bite. Well, you must be a proud mama.
Not too happy with all these humans.
Yeah, I figured I'll get away, give her. She's probably feeling very with all too many people around.
Yeah, she's very uncomfortable.
So we'll see inside.
All right. And see now, in a little while, that one that just came out of the egg is going to be drying out, and it's going to be fluffy.
It looks like it's
Like
already
these.
drying out its
Yeah.
head because it's been out the longest.
Where's its ears?
They don't have ears like you do.
So how do they hear us?
Someplace on their head, they're kind of covered with the head feathers. Oh, did you think that was one of the other geese calling you? Just pooped.
That was decent.
In the egg, there's a bunch of yellow stuff in there.
Stinks. Oh, that poop stinks. She's being very patient with us, considering, you know, she could have come at us with full fury.
Completely out now.
He's choking her.
No, that's part of the process.
Their webbing is flat.
With the webbing, it's flat, so it's not a whole lot of pressure goes on the duckling.
The pressure goes on its 3 toes.
And here's those little chicks yet.
I know why they
All right,
like
we
you.
saw it hatch. We're gonna go in.
They
Yeah.
like you because of the shade.
And we'll check before we go to see if that last one hatched.
They're gonna kill.
Well, they are. Well, I'm going to end this because I'm at the church and it's time to go in.
What do you want to do? Right here.